is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, guys. So here you have the, I will say wallpaper application, sorry. So wallpaper application, here you have the all section, you have the anime section, and pretty much can scroll across and see different categories as it relates to this wallpaper application. But we're just going to tap on the all option. So in the all options, you do get a few wallpapers for free. Not all of them are for free. Ones pretty much will not be for free are the ones with the diamond icon here on the top. Those wallpapers are not for free, guys. So that's really pretty much it. And pretty much if you want to use the free wallpapers, you can pretty much go ahead and, let's say for example this one here, go ahead and tap on it and you can pretty much go ahead and apply that wallpaper, or you can download it. So very easy. And down here you can pretty much go ahead in the desktop section. If you do want a desktop wallpaper, you can go ahead and download a desktop wallpaper, for example this one here, and then you can go ahead and download, pretty much share it to your desktop or laptop, and you're good to go. So that's really pretty much it. And you do have the collection section. You do have various different types of wallpapers, you can see here. But these wallpapers, you're going to need a subscription, or should I say a pro subscription, to be able to access these wallpapers. So you have various different types of good wallpapers for your phones, which you can use. As you can see here, you have a lot of them. These are pretty much pros. As I said, pro, you're gonna need a pro subscription to be able to access these. You do have free wallpapers. You pretty much can tap on the option at the top here and select the free option, and you'll be able to see all of the free wallpapers on the application. So you can pretty much give it a try and see whichever free wallpaper that you may like on the app. So very good wallpaper application. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all in this video, do make sure to comment below. And I forgot to mention, you can tap on the sales option to pretty much go ahead and get your subscription. So see you guys in the next one.